Want to study Cambodian? No time? It's not a problem anymore. These Cambodian books can help you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Khmer with my channel, and I'm Dara from the Khmer lesson. But today I have a new video for you, and in this video everyone will learn 15 Khmer phrases to ask someone when you meet them for the first time. But okay, so right now if you are ready, let's get into the lesson together. But first sentence is រីករាយដែលបានជួបអ្នក រីករាយដែលបានជួបអ្នក But in English you say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. រីករាយដែលបានជួបអ្នក អ្នកសុខសប្បាយទេ អ្នកសុខសប្បាយទេ How are you? How are you? អ្នកសុខសប្បាយទេ អ្នកឈ្មោះអី អ្នកឈ្មោះអី What's your name? What's your name? អ្នកឈ្មោះអី អ្នកអាយុប៉ុន្មាន អ្នកអាយុប៉ុន្មាន How old are you? How old are you? អ្នកអាយុប៉ុន្មាន អ្នកមកពីប្រទេសណា អ្នកមកពីប្រទេសណា Which country do you come from? Oh, you always say where you from. But in Khmer we translate from which country do you come from? អ្នកមកពីប្រទេសណា អ្នកធ្វើការអី អ្នកធ្វើការអី What do you do? Or you can say what's your job? អ្នកធ្វើការអី អ្នកធ្វើការនៅណា អ្នកធ្វើការនៅណា Where do you work? Where do you work? អ្នកធ្វើការនៅណា អ្នករស់នៅណា អ្នករស់នៅណា Where do you live? Where do you live? អ្នករស់នៅណា ហេតុអីអ្នកមកទីនេះ ហេតុអីអ្នកមកទីនេះ Why do you come here? Why do you come here? ហេតុអីអ្នកមកទីនេះ អ្នកធ្លាប់មកទីនេះពេលមុនទេ អ្នកធ្លាប់មកទីនេះពេលមុនទេ Have you ever been here before? Have you ever been here before? អ្នកធ្លាប់មកទីនេះពេលមុនទេ អ្នកថាអីទេបើខ្ញុំសួរអ្នកមួយសំណួរ អ្នកថាអីទេបើខ្ញុំសួរអ្នកមួយសំណួរ Do you mind if I ask you one question? Do you mind if I ask you one question? អ្នកថាអីទេបើខ្ញុំសួរអ្នកមួយសំណួរ អ្នកមានគ្រួសារនៅ អ្នកមានគ្រួសារនៅ Have you had a family yet? Have you had a family yet? But everyone, this is another question. Like instead of asking, "Are you married?" But in Cambodian language, you have two options to ask someone about the wedding. First, you say, "Are you married?" But some people they don't want to use this sentence, so they think another sentence is more polite, like this. You ask, "Have you had a family yet?" But it means we want to know about your own family, not about your parents ណាបាទ here it means your own family បាទ Okay again អ្នកមានគ្រួសារនៅ Have you had a family yet អ្នកមានកូនទេ អ្នកមានកូនទេ Do you have a kid Do you have a kid អ្នកមានកូនទេ អ្នកមានកូនប៉ុន្មាន អ្នកមានកូនប៉ុន្មាន How many kids do you have How many kids do you have អ្នកមានកូនប៉ុន្មាន ជួបអ្នកពេលក្រោយ ជួបអ្នកពេលក្រោយ See you next time See you next time ជួបអ្នកពេលក្រោយ But that's all for this lesson. I hope everyone enjoyed this. And I hope also this lesson is useful when you would like to ask someone when you meet them for the first time. Okay? But yeah, thanks so much for watching. And if you have any question would like to ask me, please let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. But again, thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.